Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to tighten a loose drawer knob. This will be an easy tutorial for fixing a spinning drawer knob. Now, this tutorial is extremely useful for a situation like this. You have a drawer from a cabinet or a vanity of some sort, and the knob just continues to spin. But even if you have a cabinet door with a similar situation with a spinning knob, then this video will be useful. What you want to do, because you can see right here, the knob just keeps spinning. It's really loose. You want to get to the inside of that drawer or that cabinet door, and you're going to find a screw head. Now, essentially, the knob is held in place by the knob on one side and then a screw over here. So that screw fastens into the shaft of the knob right over here. All that you need is a screwdriver that fits the specific head of the screw. In this case right here, I have a green Robbie head over here, which is the smallest square head basically. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead. You have two options. You can turn the screw, or what I like to do is I like to hold the screwdriver onto the screw head like that. So I'm just holding it, and then I tighten the knob in place. So now I'm going to take the drawer knob and I'm going to turn it clockwise. As I turn it clockwise, that screw is being held in place like that. As I turn it clockwise, it's going to tighten up until I get it to the point where I can just really give it just a little crank like that. You don't want to go too tightly because then you might damage the cabinet. And right now, as you can see, I'm like loosely pushing on the knob. You can see it's not going anywhere. It's firmly in place, okay? And I can sort of shake it like that and nothing's gonna happen. The whole drawer is moving. So what I've done is I've tightened the knob easily. And like I said, you can do this with a drawer knob or a cabinet door knob as well. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.